We are definitely lost. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cache of the Day. So we're out here in Samuel Farms. We're going off-roading today, so we're gonna do a little hike. We'll see you guys out there. We're lost. We are definitely lost. The cache, I don't even know. We have finally reached kind of an opening. We have to find this cache or else it's all for naught. How we're gonna get home, no clue, not worried about that. We've come this far, we're seeing this thing through. All right, so after further review, it looks like it might have not been worth it because we are pretty much right on it where it should be. But the last 4 consecutive cachers said DNF, which is short for did not find. And as you can see, we've lost any kind of path. So I think we're calling it quits, guys. Okay guys, so we're back. It really pains us, but it's been 2 hours. We actually started this thing at like 2 and it's now 3:54. So I'm really sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and probably end it here. I know it was maybe lackluster, or maybe you found it entertaining us getting very lost and almost dying in the woods. We'll see you guys later. Happy hunting.